A vibrant urban patio filled with lush tropical plants like monstera and bird of paradise. A living wall of ferns climbs a dark brick wall as colourful pots line the sidewalk in warm morning light. A clean minimalist patio with sculptural succulents and cacti in geometric concrete planters. A soft sedum vertical garden decorates a white wall, glowing under bright sunlight. A charming garden patio outside a French-style bistro at dusk. String lights sparkle above pots of herbs, lavender and succulents, while a lush green wall creates a warm, romantic setting. An urban patio with a bold vertical planter made of rusted corten steel modules. Succulents and vines spill from the wall, while agaves and yuccas sit beside large factory-style windows. A peaceful urban garden patio during gentle rain. Raindrops rest on succulent leaves and a dense green wall, while the wet sidewalk reflects city lights in a calm, reflective mood. A whimsical bohemian patio on a quiet side street. Mixed terracotta and ceramic pots hold succulents and wildflowers, while a DIY palette garden overflows with greenery beside a painted bench. The entrance of a mid-century building with sculptural succulents and agaves planted in river rock beds. A geometric vertical garden in a wooden frame stands beside the glass door. A sunlit Mediterranean-inspired patio with terracotta pots holding olive trees, rosemary, and colourful succulents. A vertical garden climbs a warm stucco wall in bright sunlight. A futuristic patio beside a smart building. A high-tech irrigated vertical garden displays neat rows of succulents and air plants, while sleek LED-lit planters line the concrete path. A creative garden in a narrow alley beside an art studio. Pots of succulents and flowers gather on steps, while climbing plants and ferns grow across a wall with a colourful mural. A bright patio with Scandinavian style. Light wooden planters hold pale succulents and grasses, while a minimalist moss and fern wall adds texture against a soft grey backdrop. A tranquil patio blending Japanese and Scandinavian design. Modular planters hold succulents and a small acer, while a moss and fern living wall creates a peaceful Zen backdrop. The charming front of a vintage shop with antique pots and repurposed containers overflowing with succulents. A rustic wooden trellis with flowering vines frames the window. A rooftop garden patio overlooking the city skyline. A living wall of succulents and sturdy planters fills the foreground, while the distant skyline glows in golden evening light. A welcoming curbside patio for a modern cafe. Bench planters grow herbs, succulents and edible flowers, while a lush green wall creates a private and relaxing dining space.